Good evening, children. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, beta. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Yes. Where were you all yesterday? Huh? Only Neha was there in yesterday's class.
Ma'am, I had another class at 5:30.
You had another class at 5:30.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you didn't tell me about that. Day before yesterday, I asked you.
Ma'am, actually, it was postponed.
What was it?
It was postponed. Actually, the class was at 4:30. No, not 4:30. Sorry. Yesterday it was after like yes, 6 or something, but they changed it now again.
Okay, okay. So even I am taking your class at 5 o'clock only for these 4-5 days. No?
Okay, no
These
problem.
days. Maybe tomorrow also it will be the same time. And after that, it will be the regular 4:30 time.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start. We were doing ratios and proportions. Yesterday also we did some more sums on ratios. Extra sums we did on ratios. And today we'll be doing proportions, right? Proportion is what? When the two ratios are equal. Okay, we call that the ratios are in proportion. Please turn on the videos. Adya, Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
When two ratios are in proportion, we say that the ratios are in proportion. Like suppose if you can see the example here, whenever you're working, the ratios should always have the same unit. Okay, like suppose four numbers are here and they're asking, are these numbers in proportion? So what will you do? You'll take the first two numbers, find their ratio. So that's 3 is to 4. Next two numbers are 45 and 60. You'll find the ratio of this. That's when you can see two ratios are equal, that means these two ratios are in proportion. Okay, right, children? Now see this next one also. Do the ratios 15 centimeter and 2 meter. Now the units are not same here. So what will you do? You will make the units same by doing conversion. Okay. So 2 meter will be 200 centimeters and 15 centimeters here. So you will find the ratio of this 10 seconds and 3 minutes. Okay. So you will convert this also to seconds. 3 minutes is 3 into 60 seconds. Okay. So what ratio you get? 3 is to 40, 1 is to 80. So you can see here that ratios are not same in this case. So when the two ratios are not same, you say that they are not in proportion. Okay, the ratios are not in proportion. Okay, so will you try finding out these two? Shreyans, you do the C bit. Adya, you take this B1.
Okay, ma'am.
Neha, you take this F. Okay,
Okay.
please find out whether they are in proportion.
Ma'am, it is in proportion. Uh,
They are in proportion.
yes, ma'am. F is in proportion.
Okay,
Ma'am, it's 3 is to 4.
okay, Vita.
Ma'am, C bit, ma'am, they are not in proportion.
Yes, Vita.
C bit, that is not in proportion, ma'am.
C bit is not in proportion. Okay. Okay, next, Adya, you tell me. Yes.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is write true or false against each of the following statements. Okay, now you have to see whether it's true or false. It's shown here that the two ratios are in proportion. So just check out whether is it correct. How will you check this? Reduce it to lowest form and check.
Yes, sir. The first one is true, right?
First one is true. What is the lowest form of this?
Ma'am, 2:3.
This is 2 is to 3. And this one, 8 to the 8 3 some. 2 is to 3. Okay, so they are equal. So it's true. Okay, what about the next? Adya will tell me. Adya, tell me the next one. Yes,
Ma'am, B-bit, ma'am.
yes, be there.
1 minute. Ma'am, false.
False. Yes, children. No, beta.
Ma'am,
We reduce this by 5, 5, 7, 35, 5, 2 are. And this one is 3,
3 2
3, 7. Yeah. These two are equal, so it's true, beta. Okay, Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Neha, you tell me the C bit.
Ma'am, false.
C bit is false. Okay, what is the reduced form of this?
Ma'am, 12 is to 18 is 4 is to 6.
Uh,
And 28 is to 12 is 7 is to 3.
so this is not equal. Okay. Okay. Next, Shreyansh, you tell me this one. D bit.
Ma'am, they are in proportion.
They're in proportion. Okay, so when you reduce this by 3, you get 8 and 9. True. Okay, Adya, you tell me E bit. Adya, tell me the E bit. It's true or false?
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, E-bit true, ma'am.
E bit is true. Okay. Yes. One second, let me check.
Sorry, ma'am, false.
3, see, it is decimal 5.2 and 3.9, and this is 3 by 4. So 5.2 and 3 by 9, when you reduce it, this is 3 by 4. So how will you reduce it? You can, these both come in the table of 13. So 13 is 13 fours are. You can take it with 1.3. And this is 3. This is false. This is 4 is to 3 and 3 is to 4. Okay? So this is false. Okay, next, Neha.
Ma'am, it's this one. Ma'am, it's false.
It's false.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 2 2s are 2 5s are 5 is to 2, and this is 90 and this will be 36. So 90 and 36 can go with 9. 9 4s is 36, 9 10s are. So 10 and 4 is again 5 is to 2. So this is true, beta. It's not false. Okay, this is true. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see the next one. Question number 3. Are the following statements true? Okay, now tell me this here. You have to check the units also. For every number, there is a unit. 40% is to 200% is equal to rupees 15 is to rupees 75. Yes, Shreyansh, do it. Shreyansh, do this. Adya, be ready with the B bit. And Neha, I'll ask you the C1.
Okay, ma'am.
But they are in proportion.
They are in proportion.
Yes, ma'am. 1:5.
Ma'am,
So the trace statement is asked
True,
true and false only. So it's true. Okay. Okay. Adya, you tell me the B bit.
ma'am, true, ma'am.
B is also true. Okay. Neha,
Ma'am, C bit is also true.
C bit is also true. Okay. Let's see the next one. D. D bit. Shreyansh, do the D. Adya, do the E1. And Neha, you read the question number 4.
Determine if the following ratios form a proportion. Also write the middle terms and extreme terms where the ratios form a proportion.
So please do the A bit. Okay, Neha?
D is proportion, sir. True.
D is true in proportion.
Yes.
And E. Adya, please tell me the E bit.
Ma'am, A is in proportion.
Yes, Bita. 1 second, Neha. Let me take from Adya first.
Okay.
Yes, Adya, give your answer. Are the ratios equal?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, doing. Ma'am, false, ma'am.
It's false. Okay. So this is 3 is to 5. No, 4. 3 is, both can go with 3, no? 3, 4. 4 is to 5. 1 second. Another one is 3 is to 4. Okay. Okay. We'll do the next.
Ma'am, true, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Beta.
even ma'am, true, ma'am.
E1 is true.
Yes, ma'am. 15, 4, yeah. And
1 second. See, this ratio is 4 is to 5. 8, 45 is to 60. Now 45 is to
12. That
60.
is 3:4. Yeah,
3 is to, it can go 16, no? 3 is to 4. Okay, so it's false. Okay, now Neha, you were telling me this. Yes, Neha, tell me the middle terms and the extreme terms.
Ma'am, these ratios are in proportion and the middle terms are 1 meter and rupees 40. The
Hmm.
extreme terms are 25 centimeters and rupees 160.
Okay, good. Okay, Adya, tell me this one. B bit and Shreyansh, you do the C. 39 liters, 65 liters, 6 bottles and 10 bottles. So find the ratios whether they are in proportion and also find out the middle terms and extreme terms. Okay. Neha, you do the D bit.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, BBT is proportion, ma'am.
B1 is it's in proportion. Okay. Okay, beta, tell me the middle terms and the extreme terms. Yes, tell me. 3:5. Yes, tell me which are the middle terms and extreme terms. Adya?
Ma'am, 39 and 10, ma'am.
39 and 10 are what?
Extreme terms.
Yes, and the middle terms?
65 and 6.
Yes, 65 and 6 are the middle terms. Okay.
Uh,
Yansh, you tell me.
even not in proportion.
Not in proportion. Okay, what is the ratio here? What ratio you got?
Ma'am, first one is 1:40,
1:40.
and another one is from 1:25.
Okay, 1:25. So they are not in proportion. Okay.
Yes. Middle terms are 80 and 25, and extreme
So then they are not in proportion, so we cannot say they middle terms because the ratios are not in proportion. We
Okay.
call them middle terms only when this sign is there in between, the proportionality sign.
Okay.
But if this sign is not there, so they are not in proportion. So there is no middle term and extreme.
Okay.
Okay, next, Neha, last one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they are in proportion. 2:25.
Okay, both are 2:25. Okay, this is 25. Okay, so they are in proportion. Middle terms and extreme terms are?
Ma'am, the middle terms are 2.5 liters and rupees 4, and extreme terms are 200 milliliters and rupees 50.
Okay, good with that. Okay, so I hope proportion part is clear to all. One second. I hope proportion part is clear to all.
Sir.
Okay, now should we move to unitary method?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see when we do unitary method, wait one second, I'll send it out. Okay, beta. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, unitary method is when we find the value of one unit first. Okay, suppose I give you that 3 chocolates cost rupees 50. No? So find the cost of 5 chocolates. So in that case, what do you do? From the cost of 3 chocolates, you will find the cost of 1 chocolate first. You will find for 1 unit. Okay?
We divide and then
Then you will multiply by 7. You will find the cost for 7 units. Okay, let's do some sums. Okay. The method in which first we find the value of 1 unit and then the value of the required number of units. Okay, so first thing is that we find the value of 1 unit first and then as many we need. Okay, this method is unitary method. Okay, let's see some examples here. If the cost of 6 cans of juice is 210, then what will be the cost of 4 cans of juice? Okay, so 6 cans juice is the cost is given. So what will be the cost of 1 can? That is 210 by 6. Okay, that's rupees 35. Cost of 4 cans will be cost of 1. Okay, multiply by 4. Are you understanding? So that gives you the cost of 4 cans of juice. I hope it's clear. Yes?
yes, sir.
Adya, Neha, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Just we'll discuss the examples and then we'll move to exercise. See, a motorbike travels 220 kilometers in 5 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1.5 liters of petrol? Okay. So in 5 liters of petrol, motorbike can travel 220 kilometers. So in 1 liter of petrol, how much it will travel? 220 by 5. And in 1.5 liters of petrol, it will travel when you multiply this distance with 1.5 kilometers. Okay. This much distance it will move. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So next one is, if the cost of dozen soaps is rupees 153.60, what will be the cost of 15 such soaps? So cost of dozen is 12. So that means 12 soaps cost rupees so much. So you will find the cost of one first. Okay, we found the cost of one soap first by dividing, and then we multiplied by 15. Okay, 1 multiplied by 15 this time, and the cost of 1 multiplied by 15. Right, we get the total cost. Next example, cost of 105 envelopes is rupees 350. How many envelopes can be purchased for rupees 100? Now see, this question is asked in other way. In rupees 350, you can purchase 105. See, the question is asked in a different way. So same way the writing is also done. That in so much rupees, 100 envelopes can be purchased. So in 1 rupee, how many envelopes can be purchased? 105 by 350. So in 100 rupees, how many you can purchase? Multiply by 100. Are you understanding this? A car travels 90 kilometers in 2.5 hours. How much time is required to cover 30 kilometers with the same speed? Okay. Now the car is traveling 90 kilometers in 2.5 hours. How much time is required to cover 30 kilometers? So in this case, time is not given to you. The distance is given. So 2.5 hours. Okay. First you converted this to. Okay, we have converted this to minutes. It's converted here in minutes now. Okay. So 1 kilometer is covered in 190 by 150 by 90 minutes. 30 kilometers can be covered in 1 kilometer multiplied by 30 minutes. 30. So that's this much. We'll do it and it will be more clear. Okay. Until we do the question just by reading. Let's do. Okay. Let's take the first question. Shreyans, read the first question.
Yes, sir. If the cost of 7 liter cloth is rupees 1,470, find the cost of 5 liter of cloth.
So the cost of 7 meter of cloth is given. Find the cost of 5 meter of cloth. Please write down the statement. Write down the statement. Cost of 7 meter cloth is given 1470. Cost of 1 meter cloth will be 1470 rupees divided by 7. Okay. And cost, we need to find cost of 5 meters. So cost of 5 meters will be, we multiply the cost of 1 meter by 5. Okay, please find out.
Mama found the cost.
Okay, what it is?
Mama, it's rupees 1,050.
Okay. All are getting the same? Okay, so this is 210. 210 multiplied by 5, you get 5 and 10, 1050. Okay, next one is Ekta. Okay, okay, good Shreyansh, very nice, beta. Okay, may I read the next question?
Yes, ma'am. Rekha earns rupees 3,000 in 10 days. How much will she earn in 30 days?
How much will she earn in 30 days? So please find out. So 10 days money is given. Okay, you will find for 1 day.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, were you telling something?
I'm telling this one beta. Ekta earns 3,000 rupees in 10 days. Okay, in 10 days she is earning 3,000 rupees. Okay, so in 1 day how much will she earn?
Okay, understood.
Divided by 10. Okay, and so you need to find for 30 days. So 30 days she will earn 3,000 by 10 multiplied by 30. Okay,
Ma'am, I got the answer.
okay, what is the answer beta?
Ma'am, rupees 9,000.
Yes, good Neha, you're writing the steps. Good. Okay, next question. Now, Adya, Adya, read question number 3.
Yes, ma'am. If it has rained 276 millimeters in the last 3 days, how many centimeters of rain will fall in one full week, 7 days? Assume that the rain continues to fall at the same rate.
Okay, so if it has rained 276 millimeter in last 3 days. So okay, so in 3 days, how much it rained? 276 millimeter. Okay, how many centimeter of rain will fall in one full week? How many centimeters? Now it is asked in centimeters. How many centimeters of rain? Okay, so if you are converting to centimeters, it will be convert to centimeters. So let's not do centimeters now. Just understand the thing and let's keep it as millimeter only. Okay, for now. Okay, so that means in 1 day, how much it will rain? How much it has rained? 276 by 3. And for 7 days, how much it will rain? 276 by 3 multiplied by 7. Okay, yes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
For now, we have not taken the centimeter part. Okay. But if we are to take with centimeters, suppose in your test exam, you get such question where it is asked, the answer is asked in centimeters. So you will first convert 276 to centimeters. Okay. Or whatever you answer you get in millimeters, you will convert it to centimeters in the end. All right.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, Mita, what is that?
Ma'am, I got it as 644 millimeters.
Okay, 644 millimeters. Everyone got the same? And if you are to convert to centimeters, then you would convert 644 to centimeters. Okay? If it is asked in the question. Okay. Let's see question number 4. Shreyansh, okay, no, this is, they are read the question. Okay, Shreyansh, you read the question now.
Uh, uh,
Question 4.
Cost of 5 kg of wheat is 91 rupees and 50 paisa. What will be the cost of 8 kg of wheat? What quantity of wheat can be purchased in 183 rupees?
We'll do the first part now. Okay. So it's asked cost of 5 kg of wheat is rupees 91.5. What will be the cost of 8 kg? So you will find the cost of 1 kg and then find for 8 kgs. Please do this first one.
And I got the answers.
Okay, what is that?
Ma'am, for one cost of 1 kg of wheat, it's rupees 18.3.
Okay, and for 8 kgs of wheat?
Ma'am, it's rupees 146.40.
Rupees 146.40.
40.
Okay. Are all getting the same? Please verify the answer. Okay, good Neha. Good beta. Let me check with others. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
good beta. Yes, Adya, have you done this? Tell me your answer. Shreyansh.
Ma'am, I'm doing B-bit, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the answer for the first one. A bit.
Yes, ma'am. 146.40, ma'am.
Okay, that's correct, beta. Okay, do the B bit. Now see, the B bit is written in other form. It is asked what quantity of wheat can be purchased at 183 rupees. So,
146.43.
yes, it's this only.
Okay.
Do the B bit. Now see, the question it is given in 91.5 rupees. Amount of wheat that can be purchased is 5 kg. Right? So you will find for 1 rupee first. In 1 rupee, how much wheat can be purchased? That is 5 by 91.5. Is it? Okay. Okay. And now you are asked to find in 183 rupees. In 183 rupees, how much wheat can be purchased? So cost wheat purchased in 1 rupee multiplied by 183. Right? So please do it. I'm just showing you because this is the question is asked in reverse way, in the opposite way. And for your today homework, you will revise the proportion and unitary method. Okay. Tomorrow again we have a class. We'll complete this exercise tomorrow. But by the time you should practice unitary method. All examples, proportion.
Oh, got the answer.
Okay, beta, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 10 kg of wheat can be purchased.
10 kg. Okay, let me verify with others also. Neha, Abhya, give your answers.
Minus 10 kg.
10 kgs. Others also getting the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, beta. Okay, children, so we'll do this much for today. Okay, and for tomorrow, you must, tomorrow we'll complete the exercise. And for your homework, please revise proportions and unitary method. Okay, it's better, if you can try these questions. Already we have done these questions during the class time. Okay, so you can try these questions, and tomorrow definitely all those who have doubts in this will do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello. Okay, thanks for joining everyone.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, beta.